Today, one nation is quietly rewriting the rules of business using artificial intelligence. This is the story of China's AI business revolution. While much of the world is still talking about the future of AI, millions of people across China are already living it. A young entrepreneur walks into a coffee shop. She doesn't order. She doesn't pay. Artificial intelligence already knows exactly what she wants. No cash changes hands. No credit card is used. The entire transaction happens silently in just a few seconds. But this story isn't really about coffee. It's about something much bigger. Behind every intelligent machine lies an enormous business opportunity. The world's greatest gold rush is no longer underground. It lives inside algorithms, data centers, and intelligent machines. For centuries, businesses depended on human labor. Today, intelligence itself has become the world's most valuable resource. Artificial intelligence is no longer limited to technology companies. It is transforming healthcare, transportation, education, finance, agriculture, and manufacturing all at the same time. But how did one nation move so quickly while others were still debating the possibilities? To understand China's AI business revolution, we have to go back to where it all began, because every revolution starts with one decision. While many nations viewed artificial intelligence as another exciting technology, China saw something much bigger. It saw the foundation of tomorrow's economy. Artificial intelligence was no longer treated as a laboratory experiment. It became a national business opportunity. Across the country, thousands of entrepreneurs saw the same opportunity. They weren't just building software, they were creating businesses designed for an AI-powered world. Universities expanded artificial intelligence programs, preparing a new generation of engineers, scientists, and business leaders for a rapidly changing world. The real transformation happened when businesses started asking a different question. Not, can we use AI? But, how can AI improve everything we do? Artificial intelligence quietly became part of everyday life. It recommended products, managed deliveries, and helped businesses serve millions of customers faster than ever before. Every purchase, every delivery, every search, and every interaction helps AI become smarter over time. Businesses race to build smarter products, faster services, and better customer experiences. Innovation became the new competitive advantage. One successful AI company inspired another. Suppliers, software developers, hardware manufacturers, investors, universities, and entrepreneurs became connected. The real revolution happened inside China's factories, where artificial intelligence transformed the way products were designed, built, inspected, and delivered. And that's where our story goes next. As the sun rises over China's industrial cities, thousands of factories are already awake. But inside many of them, production never stopped. Inside, hundreds of robotic arms move with incredible precision. Every movement is calculated. Every second is optimized. Every product passes beneath intelligent cameras capable of detecting imperfections far too small for the human eye. Traditional factories repair machines after they break. AI factories predict problems before they happen. Despite what many people imagine, these factories are not empty. People still play a vital role. Artificial intelligence doesn't replace every worker, it changes how people work. AI allows factories to produce more, in less time while maintaining extraordinary levels of quality. Artificial intelligence follows every package, every truck, every warehouse, and every customer until the final delivery is complete. Artificial intelligence connects every step of the supply chain into one intelligent business network. Faster production, smarter logistics, and continuous innovation have become powerful business advantages in an increasingly connected global economy. But factories are only one chapter of China's AI story. The same intelligence is now reshaping hospitals, schools, banks, farms, and cities. And that's where the next stage of this revolution truly begins. Every day, doctors across China use artificial intelligence to analyze medical scans, identify patterns, and support faster clinical decisions. Farmers are using artificial intelligence to monitor crops, predict weather patterns, optimize irrigation, and improve harvests. Cities are becoming intelligent ecosystems. Traffic flows more efficiently, public transportation adapts in real time, and energy systems respond to demand. For entrepreneurs, artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, it's a business opportunity. Every challenge creates a market. As artificial intelligence grows more capable, societies must also consider privacy, security, fairness, and the future of work. Around the world, countries are investing in artificial intelligence, competing to build new industries, attract talent, and shape the future of technology. Tomorrow's entrepreneurs, engineers, designers, and creators will build businesses powered by technologies that are still evolving. China's AI journey isn't simply about technology, it's about preparation. Businesses that embrace innovation often adapt faster to change, while those that hesitate risk being left behind. AI is becoming part of today's economy. Every business, every entrepreneur, and every nation must now decide how they will participate in this transformation. Thank you for watching The Business of AI. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more stories exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming industries, economies, and the future of business.